Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be making a chicken and vegetable stir fry. It's an easy dish to cook, it's relatively cheap and it's quick as well. As for my ingredients, I am using 2 chicken breasts, vegetables. For my seasoning, I'm using soy sauce, plum sauce, honey. For my seasoning, I'm using allspice, ginger and smoked paprika. You can't see in the photo, but I did use a white onion and some garlic also, which you'll see it later on. Okay, so now we're going to use the powdered seasoning and we're going to mix that in with the chicken breast. You just got to keep mixing, evenly distributed all over the chicken. Finish seasoning the chicken. I tend to leave it for around 10 minutes to let it soak. You're going to put some oil in your pan. I'm using vegetable oil, but you can use whatever oil that you usually use, cook with. You can turn the heat up to medium to high and just let the pan heat up. Once the pan's been heated up, you're now going to pour the chicken breast into the pan and you let that cook for 5 minutes in all. I usually cook for 4 minutes first. For 4 minutes, I put the onion and the garlic in the chicken and then let that cook for additional minutes. Okay, and once that's cooked, I'm going to take it out of the pan and pour it back into the bowl. Because I want this to be quite a healthy dish, I haven't added any extra oil into the pan to cook the vegetables with. I'm just using the chicken juices and just use that to cook the vegetables. Now you're just going to keep stirring the vegetables until they have softened up a bit. I don't like my vegetables to be too soft. I still like a bit of crunch, so I'll let them cook for 5 minutes at first. Keep stirring to just make sure they don't get burnt. Now I'm just pouring in the sauce. For the sauce, I've added equal parts sauce and water, just because I like my stir fry to be quite saucy and full of flavour also. And you just continue stirring, and then you just let that cook down for a further 5 minutes, and then it will be time to dish that up, and that's it. Dish cooked in less than 20 minutes and it's nice and yummy. You can cook this with rice, but for me I found that just the meat and the vegetables enough. If you like more, then rice would be alright to add. That's it guys, this dish is all finished now.